friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shalini's Doctor. Today I am going to make an Indian recipe Kaja.
Come, we'll check for the ingredients. We need 1 cup of maida, 1 pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water and half lemon juice and a pinch of cardamom powder. Come, let's start making it. We'll take a mixing bowl and we're gonna add maida, salt and ghee, mix it well. We're gonna mix it well like this. So once we are done with mixing, now we are going to add a few drops of water and make a soft dough, soft and gentle dough. Make sure the dough should not be so soft. For this I used 1/3 cup of water for kneading. Our dough is ready. Now we are going to apply some ghee over it. Now we will cover this dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now we'll start making the sugar syrup. For that I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water into it. And for the sugar syrup we need 1 string consistency. This is the consistency we needed. And once we got this consistency, let's switch off the flame immediately. Now we're going to add that half lemon juice into the sugar syrup and a pinch of cardamom powder for nice flavor. We'll just give it a quick mix. So friends, our sugar syrup is ready. We'll keep it aside for some time. So friends, our dough is ready. We are going to divide it equally into 4 balls. Now we will start rolling the dough. I am going to roll this with the help of a rolling pin. We will add some maida over here and we will spread it, and with the help of the rolling pin we will start rolling it. Here I have rolled all the 4 balls and now we'll make a layer out of it. We'll take the first one and we'll apply some ghee on the top of it and we'll spread it, and we're going to add some maida and we'll just spread it gently and we'll cover up with another layer. We have to keep repeating the process. Ghee, maida, and we'll just cover it with another one. We have just covered the last layer, and on the top of it we have to repeat the process again by applying some ghee with some maida. We have to roll it again gently with the rolling pin. So roll it gently like this way. It will be easy for us. So friends, we have to cover all these edges with a little drops of water so that it will not come out. Like this, we are going to seal it with water. Now we are going to add some more ghee over here and some maida. And we will start rolling it. So once we're done with rolling, so with the help of knife, I'm going to cut this and make into pieces. Now you can see the layer, friends, like this. Okay, now we are going to press this gently. So after pressing, this is how it looks. So friends, we are going to deep fry these pieces. Make sure that oil should be at low to medium flame. So once we drop the pieces, the oil should start boiling then. So pieces are getting fried. So friends, now it's nicely fried. Now we will transfer these pieces into our sugar syrup immediately, like this. We will soak this khajas in the sugar syrup for 2 minutes and we will just mix it gently. Now our yummy khaja recipe is ready. Here it goes. Friends, please try this at home and share your feedback.
Please like, share and subscribe to Shalini's Chalk Talk YouTube channel for more videos.